There's a shell here. A scene of the crime. There was a crime here.
Cover.
Wait.
This finger straight. Okay. So do your trigger finger. So what you'll do is you'll put it up like this.
Okay. Safe. Fire. You can look under here.
In there?
Either there or there.
Dad, does that have a lot of kick?
You can go stand with them.
I can handle kick. Sarah warned me.
You don't want anybody to your right. Looks like they're going to.
I'll let them have it.
I've got a bullet in the chamber.
Really?
There's a bullet in the chamber.
Yeah.
See the, look in there. You see this shell?
Yep.
It's ready to go.
It just shoots one at a time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, it's ready to fire. There's no safety on it. So always keep that finger up.
Okay.
You pull it out there.
Yep.
When you're ready to fire, you bring that finger down. Just squeeze. Make sure you're lined up.
Okay.
Dot to dot to target.
When you're done
Always
shooting,
keep
make
it
sure
pointed down.
it keeps pointing that way.
I
Julie.
will. Oh wait, hold this.
Right.
Okay.
Julie, honey, it
Put your
doesn't kick
arms
real
out.
bad. It's real heavy. Yeah.
There you go.
Now just pull the trigger when
Pull
I'm
the
ready.
trigger
Right.
when you're ready. Dot to dot.
You got to put
Use
your
one
finger.
eye.
There you go.
One eye. Dot to dot.
That's gorgeous. Oh,
Whoa!
You're still ready to fire.
Okay.
It's
power!
automatic.
So I can go
You
again.
can go again.
Oh yeah.
You go as fast as you want.
Haven't you seen the police shows?
Whoa. You can smell the powder.
That'll tell you. Okay, you're empty. You don't have to be close to the scope.
Okay.
Just as long as you're comfortable. Just get comfortable. Mister.
Do 2 in a row.
Okay, I'm done.
Let me see if I can get it.
This is a very heavy gun. During the whole time, Karen. Hold the trigger.
No. Military guns you can. These are civilian. That's why they call it semi-automatic.
Yeah.
If it's fully automatic, yeah, you're not trigger and empty out the clip. Put the crosshairs on that bottle.
Good.
Mary, wait! You didn't warn us to put our ears on.
Warning!
Thanks.
Just look over there. Boy, she's got a good stance.
That's how it's done.
Julie wants another lesson, Dan.
Fully automatic.
there's any fire ants left on that hill.
Let her rip. Testosterone.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
That had fire coming out at it. No, the rooster. He says, aren't y'all done yet?
Come on, John! Yes, John!
Shoot to the left. I think I got it. Yeah, that's hot up there.